Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna be guiding you through how to play mini games in Slotomania. If you're a fan of Slotomania and wondering how to enjoy all of its mini games, then here is how you do it. Launch open the Slotomania app on your device and make sure that you're logged in. From the home page, go ahead and tap on the little gift box icon at the top left corner, and under gifts, you'll see the minigame option if available. Tap on the minigame option and select the minigame you'd like to play and collect points. Click the collect button in order to play it right away, and now you can go ahead and start playing the game. Place your bets and tap on spin at the bottom right corner in order to start playing. You'll be able to see rewards after playing each game. Complete the game and then also make sure to use strategy if the mini game involves choices, enjoy the visual effects, and collect your rewards. So that is how you will be able to play mini games in Slotomania. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.